How to delete or deactivate your Snapchat account permanently. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to quickly show you that how to deactivate or delete your Snapchat account permanently. So what you need to do first is go to your Snapchat profile, like here I'm in my profile. After that you have to go to on settings option in the top right corner. Then you have to all the way scroll all the way down. Here you can see the deletion option was right here, but in the new update Snapchat has been removed this option. So what I need you to do is find the I need help option like here. Then you have to click on it. Please watch the full video to delete your Snapchat account. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like. After that you have to scroll down and you have to find the option that managing my account. Okay, you have to click on that. Then here you can see here is the option delete or reactivate my account. You have to click on this option right here. Then here is two option, how do I deactivate or delete my Snapchat account, or how do I reactivate my Snapchat account. So we need to click on the first option right here because we want to delete or deactivate our Snapchat account permanently. Okay, after that here you can see here is two option right here, that one option, first option is for Android user and second option is for Apple user. So what you need to do is click on the first option. I'm gonna do it in my Android, that's why I'm gonna going to click on first option, the Snapchat account portal. You have to click on it like that. After that this is a new page coming here. Then you have to scroll all the way down. Then you have to find a option like delete my account. Okay, you have to click on this delete my account option like that. Then you can find a page like that. What you need to do is type your username or your Snapchat username here and type your Snapchat password here. After that you have to click continue. Typing your password and logged in here, you can find the deletion option in your Snapchat account. So this is how you can pretty much delete your Snapchat account like that. I hope you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.